Quite good.
Come around this side. Right, so there's a little clip there and there.
Can you see it? I'm trying to give you light as well.
That's it. And they pop off like that. So then what you've got, if I can find it, basically there is a finger underneath there that you're going to push. And if I can get my finger in there, and then the lamp clips out. So basically what you're going to be pushing is that there, and then the lamp will just pop out. And there's only two places it locates. One is on that edge and one is on that finger. So that is that. Oh yeah, just before I put that in there, when you get yours are obviously not going to be taped up. I've taped them up just so that it makes it a bit tidier inside the mirror with the wiring. So basically this locating edge is going to pop into there on that edge, and then you're going to push it home. But if, as sometimes happens, when you push it home it doesn't click in, what you're going to do is put it in that end first and then push the light that way. Still not gone home. See nothing there, I need that light there. That's it. So basically you're going to push it into that edge as tight as you can and then manipulate that so that it's the back behind there, and that is that. be behind the mirror. So that's basically that. Getting the case to go back on is probably the harder part. You sort of have to put it in. There's the 3 locating clips at the bottom that have got to go in. That is the hardest part, is putting the cover back on. That's it. And that was pretty painless. So with the popping off of these, if it's cold, I would recommend putting some heat behind there with a hairdryer before you pop these off, because these little tabs can break off. So once they've been off a few times, they do pop off easier, so you don't need to worry so much. And that is that.